Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which live page must stop updating. This prevents data loss. You should save drafts or media now, because once you halt live rendering, some dynamic state may be lost. Next, focus the tab in Chrome and open the three-dot menu so you can access tools. This gives quick access to pause features and developer tools. Once done, you're ready to take the first actionable steps to stop live updates. You now pause dynamic activity. Press Ctrl+Shift+I to open DevTools and go to Network. Choose Offline or Disable Cache and find options to stop WebSocket and server-sent events. Make sure to also toggle Java script off via the command menu or site settings if scripts drive live updates. This stops client-side auto-refresh. If the page auto-reloads, right-click the refresh button and choose Disable Auto-Reload, or block the specific endpoints to halt incoming updates. These steps control how and why the page stops. Finish by verifying the page no longer updates. Keep DevTools open as you test, then refresh once to confirm live data stops. Make sure to re-enable JavaScript and Network when you want normal behavior again, because leaving them off breaks site functionality. If the live page still updates, restart Chrome to clear transient connections or clear site cookies and local storage for stubborn sessions. One key troubleshooting tip. If WebSocket reconnects continue, block that endpoint in the host's file or use an extension to block the URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.